So in this class, we are going to discuss about IVP procedure. IVP is defined as intravenous pyelogram or else intravenous urogram. So what is intravenous pyelogram?
It is a radiographic examination of the kidney, ureter and bladder. The contrast is related to IV.
Okay. So what will be the indications to do this procedure?
Indications is dysuria, pyuria, hematuria, abdominal pain இருப்பாங்க. அதுக்கப்புறம் suspected mass lesion in the kidney ureter bladder. Contraindication வந்து allergic to iodine, suspected pregnancy, அதுக்கப்புறம் urinary tract infection.
So what is hematuria, pyuria and diuria? Dysuria.
Pain of the urine.
So dysuria is nothing but difficulty in voiding. So pain, urine void or pain. Hematuria is nothing but blood in the void urine. And pyuria is pus on the urine போகும்போது it gets excreted. So it தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும். And what is contraindication? What are the
Allergic to iodine, suspected pregnancy, urinary tract infection.
So what are the contrast media used for this procedure?
Iodine or optical.
So how will you, what are the equipments which is be needed for this procedure?
Fluoroscopy equipment, Watchman device, catheter, cannula, syringe, needle, gauze, normal saline, antiseptic solution, sterile gloves.
How will you prepare the patient to do this procedure?
Ask the patient to remove all metal objects and ask the patient to change the hospital code. The pregnancy patient should be informed. And before the examination, the patient should urinate. And
So, and the major one thing is there, we have to check the urea creatinine level before doing this procedure. Okay, when because there will be contrast through IV to visualize the kidneys. So, urea creatinine level வந்து நாம் லெஸ்ஸா இருந்தால் மட்டும்தான் நம்ம கான்ட்ராஸ்ட் கொடுப்போம். Because there will be iodinated contrast media. Urea creatinine level check பண்ணாம நம்ம கான்ட்ராஸ்ட் media கொடுத்துட்டோம் அப்படின்னா பேஷண்ட்டுக்கு கிட்னி ஃபெயிலியர் ஆகும். So, எந்த பேஷண்ட்டுக்கு நம்ம கான்ட்ராஸ்ட் கொடுக்கறதுனாலும் first we have to assure that urea creatinine level is in normal. So how will you do this procedure?
On the day of examination, the technology should describe about the procedure to the patient to get the permission to get the consent form. And the patient is placed in the supine position with fluoroscopic Watchman device. Afterwards, an intravenous line is inserted into patient arm. If needed, medication sedation will be given to make the patient relax. Afterwards, the normal saline is injected through the IV. Then the contrast media of 50 to 60 ml is injected through IV. Afterwards, the complete of the procedure needle will be removed. So the several film will be taken.
Okay. So until completing the procedure, the patient should be in supine position. Am I right? Yes. Okay. So what are the several films taken during this procedure or else after completing the contrast media?
Totally 5 film are taken. One minute it is the contrast with the context to draw before completely. The 5 minute film is the context of before completely and the renal connects make minor connects make major connects. And for 15 to 18 minute film is major connects immediately better. Most of it we say that start the change process to the contrast in giving distance from bladder.
So what will be the complications after doing this procedure? What the patient will feel after doing? How the patient will feel after completing this procedure? What will be the complications after completing the whole procedure?
Difficulty in avoiding urine infection.
Urinary tract infection. Okay. So in the complications இருந்ததுன்னா, so how will you give care to the patients? After care என்னவா இருக்கும்?
After பேஷண்டோட வயிற்று சம்பந்தத்தை மானிட்டர் பண்ணுவோம். அதுக்கப்புறம் வந்துட்டு அவங்கள ஃப்ளூயிட் வந்துட்டு அதிகமாக எடுத்து வச்சுக்கணும். நான் கொடுத்துருக்க கான்ட்ராக்ட் வந்துட்டு ஃப்ளஷ் அவுட் ஆகிறதுக்காக அதில் பாடி வந்துட்டு ஓவரால் டீஹைட்ரேஷன் ஆகிறதுக்காக பிளண்டி அமௌண்ட் பார்க்கறதுக்கு இன்டேக் பண்ணுவோம்.
How many chambers are there in the heart?
4 chambers.
So what are the chambers?
Right atrium, left atrium, right ventricle, left ventricle.
Okay. So how many valves are present in the heart?
4 valves.
What?
Tricuspid valve, bicuspid valve, pulmonary valve,
So explain me about the layers of the heart.
heart with 3 layers, outer pericardium, middle myocardium, inner endocardium.